Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Way, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Toyota Aurion AT-X, stock reference number 4806. This shape runs from the 10th month 2006 through to the 3rd month 2012. It has a 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right hand headlight, right hand fog light with surround, left hand headlight, left hand fog light with surround, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror does have some scratches, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent and light wobbles, right front door also has light wobbles, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.